Good morning, everybody. I want to teach you now the chapter Mentalism. Before entering into the chapter Mentalism, first we have to know about the origin of life. The origin of life, generally in the earth, started from many years ago. From the time immemorial, there is no life in the world. First world is created as a piece of fire from the sun. Later on, that is cooled down, and different chemicals are developed in the earth. Those chemicals, first in the form of inorganic chemicals, then to the organic chemicals. Now, first there are some simpler form of organic chemicals are created. Later on, those simpler form combined together to form some complex form of organic chemicals. Generally, that took a lot of year, millions of year for the development of a complex organic chemicals, that is the nucleic acid. Nucleic acids are of two types. One is deoxyribonucleic acid and another is ribonucleic acid. First, there is development of the ribonucleic acid, then there is development of the DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid is the type of chemicals naturally from the previous DNA, another DNA can be reproduced, which is the characteristic feature of the um, living organisms. We know the living organisms are differentiated from the non-living organisms in different aspects. We will go to that point later on. But after the reproduction characteristic develop in the DNA, that containing the DNA, there are some life form are originated. Very simpler form of life, like a virus. Virus is not a true form of life, because that is acellular and consisting of a nucleic acid and a protein only. So containing two chemicals, that is also acting as the life or living organisms in presence of the host, but in absence of the host, that is not living, present in the inert stage. So in this manner, there is a life originated in the earth. Then after life originated, there is a through evolution, large number of years are again taken to develop the suppose the bacteria, from the virus bacteria, from bacteria to blue green algae, from the different algae. In this manner, there are different organisms in the case of plants and also in the case of animals. Now the human beings are evolved from the previous form of DNA, that is gradually coagulated and forming the complex form of cell, and present in the chromosome of the cell. Now that chapter is in darkness till 18th 19th century, and Mendel was the biologist who developed the chapter. Now we come to the detail of the chapter. Before entering into the chapter, we have to know about the different points. First point, introduction. I already said about about the introduction. Next is Mendel's life, Mendel's choice of the plant, experiments, characters, findings. Now today I am to only teach you or explain you till these points. The other points are to be discussed later on. Now first, the before again we have to discuss about some introductory point, that is the study of living organism is called as biology, study of plants is called as botany, study of animals is called as zoology. And these are different from the non-living in various aspects. As we know that the living organisms are eating, walking, talking, etc. Right? Whereas the non-living cannot do these things. They are innate in their characters. And also it is seen that in the particular organism, like in the case of animals, dog is a particular organism, cat is a particular organism, we human beings are particular organisms. And also in the case of plants, mango plant is a particular plant. Similarly, other plants, banyan plants or the banana plants, those are particular plants. Still, there are there are many variations in the in those particular organisms. How that is possible is to be first found out by Mendel. And next, Mendel that he described the result on 1866, and that was recognized in 1900. Though in 1866 he developed and described, that is not given importance. So in frustration he passed away in 1884. In 1900, three biologists rediscovered the same result. Simultaneously, Mendel was regarded as the founder of the genetics and called father of genetics. The three biologists are Hugo de Vries, a Dutch biologist, Karl Lorenz, a German botanist, and Erich von Tessermark, an Austrian biologist. Austrian botanist. In order to mark the centenary of this event, in the year 2000, centennial celebration of the rediscovery of Mendel's laws of inheritance were held everywhere to the world. Now, to some extent, we come to the life history or some part of the life of Mendel. Mendel full name was Gregor Johann Mendel. He was born on July 22, 1822, and his father is Hessendorf in Austria. He was the only son of a farmer who has a great love for plants, which influenced Mendel's life as a naturalist, but he completed his study in physics before service. He first was ordained into the priesthood in August 1847. He had more interest in teaching job. So in 1849 he was assigned as a teacher in the city of Zen. So to be qualified for the teacher eligibility exam,